Look at this mess. Screenshots, PDFs, random files everywhere. In this video, I'll give you a simple Python script that organizes everything into clean folders by file type, automatically. No advanced Python needed. We'll go through the code, test it live, and make it safe to use on your own computer. The full code is linked below. Grab it, copy it, and test it on a sample folder first. I'll guide you through step by step. Here's the idea. The script scans your folder, checks each file's extension, creates folders for images, videos, documents, and moves everything automatically. Anything unknown goes into a MISC folder, so nothing gets lost. Let's break it down. We import the standard libraries, OS and shutil. Next, define your folder path. I'm using a test folder called test messy folder. Then, we set up a dictionary, mapping each folder name to its file extensions. Now, we loop through each file, skip directories, and move matching files. If no match is found, it drops into MISC. Finally, a quick print line. Files organized successfully. And you're done. Let's run it live. One command, and Python instantly organizes all files by type. Clean, fast, predictable. Rerunning the script is safe. It skips directories and only moves files in the root folder. To prevent overwriting, the updated version in the repository automatically renames duplicates, file _1, _2, and so on. Want more control? You can add a dry run mode that prints actions before moving files, or a summary that shows how many files were organized per type. Both upgrades are in the repository. Download the full script below and try it on your test folder. Customize it, make it your own. And that's it, a plug-and-play file organizer that turns chaos into clean order in seconds. If this helped, check out my Python Productivity Toolkit, a pack of plug-and-play scripts built to save you hours every week. Next up, we'll build a Python tool that takes screenshots automatically, saves them with timestamps, and keeps your workspace organized without lifting a finger. See you there. If this helped, subscribe for more simple, powerful Python automations. Comment what you want me to automate next, and remember, I'm building, and so can you.